Well, I think I've got somewhere today 10 hours just on this. Collapsible windows, right? This one's working fine. I still have to work on this one. This will be drag websites, it launches them. Drag apps, it launches them. That kind of thing. Drag probably a text file, it opens the editor. So what it does is, let me get a file. So you can, let's open this up. I can take this and I can drag it in here like that, right? And then I can, if it was a command, you know, I can show you it works. We'll go here, open it up, and there's the same information. It goes into a file called run-command.me2pc. But if that's a command, I'll explain more what the reset all. I'm going to clear that terminal. I'm going to type in echo, like that, echo, hello, world. I am very tired after 4 hours of sleep and doing this for 10 hours straight. And then I have to do a read to hold this window open, just the way it's set up, like that. And I click Q command. You'll see it. There it is. I just typed that. Okay. Then I come down here, my little execute the me2pc file, and oh, it failed. Not sure why. Okay, well, I'll have to work on that. But it's supposed to hold it, and I don't know why it didn't. It should have. Okay, well, I've been working on this quite a bit tonight. It won't run a second time. Oh, there it is. What is that? Sudo. Yeah, I'm not sure why. Oh, I wonder if that previous command. Let me do something here. Reset all. And then we'll just do this. There. Q command. See if it's there. Ooh. It is. And we're going to execute that. Yep, there it is. It worked fine. So I must have had something in the buffer on the drop. Something you cannot do with terminals is I can do a control like this. Here's my mouse over here, right? Control V. Oop, gotta be. I'm sorry, gotta be focused here. That's interesting, like that. Okay, I didn't right click, but check it out. I can also do right click paste. Same thing. Okay. What this function is down here is originally I had it set up where, dang it, it's if I drug text in here, it would put it in there, and if I click Q, what did that do? Okay, it only got it from here. But what it do is it hold this up, and then what this box is designed for here is actually to drag any text file, and there's like that. Okay. But what happened is if I drug text in here, it would stay here and it would go here. Now, what this reset all and clear is, the clear terminal is for the input terminal. So up here. So if I clear that, right, this code's still here, and it's there until I drop the next one, right? So I make changes here and I run it. I can see the original and what the changes are, right? And if I need more room, I go like that. I'm typing like that. I go back to the original. I think it's pretty slick. So it runs commands. It'll open websites. I can drop terminal or URLs in there with Chromium in front of it, or Google-Chrome in front of it, and I can save this to that command name, default, a file name, me2pc code.x, or okay, I can type in a special name. We'll just do custom.sh like that, and well, there's the custom.sh, has the same file information as the other one, like that. Okay, and this one should run, but we'll see. I haven't tested it. Oh, Oh, look at that. Hold key. That's a terminal. That is a genome terminal pop-up. And I believe if I don't have that hold in there, it'll actually go away because it doesn't hold the shell open. Sometimes you can put shell on that backside of that. So now, like that, the clear terminal is up there. Reset all. Refreshing is the same thing. Reloading the page. I got to work on this part. I don't like how when I do a reset, it opens that bottom terminal. I want it to stay off of that focus. So I got to. The only thing I do that tomorrow is do that. Click on help. Help comes up, tells you all about it. Download a file. I haven't set that up. Going to get a bad page. I got to finish that tomorrow. Load URL. That's not done yet too. That was to actually drop a link to a HTML file or a PHP file, or if you knew what it was and had access to the server, or a text file, and you click load, it would put the text in here, and I don't know if it'll do anything here, but it would put the text in here from loading it from there. I haven't implemented that part of it, right? But so there's my copyright. It does not work on Chromium. I had issues with Chromium and some other things. I have an issue with this program with Chromium, so we don't use Chromium. I put Google Chrome back on it. It's like that. So feel free to comment, like, subscribe, complain. This is basically to make it easier. Even though it looks like it's harder, ultimately the options that are going to be available with this will make it easier for new users of Linux to go ahead and drag and drop. They can drag things to make things happen without. And there's another aspect to this too, is the user interface that I'm creating out from another project that someone had that did 2012 really awesome JavaScript interface, and I'm going to implement that into the ELGG content management system, and this is going to be some of a driver for that too. But it's all in the works. It's going to take me months to do it. Having fun. So thank you for watching. That's all, folks.